Today, IITTM, Indian Institute of Travel and Tourism and Travel, I think. They have organized a Swachhata Action Plan. This is the program of the Ministry of Tourism, and every year they conduct to enlighten the students who are the future citizens of this nation to be aware about the cleanliness within ourselves, cleanliness outside ourselves, in home, in the colonies, in the school. And in that context, there will be a program right from class at 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 11:30, something like that. The resource person is the director of Indian Institute of Hotel Management, Indian Hotel Management, IHM. The director will be the resource person, he will be interacting with you. Then, yesterday we have shared a link related to what? How many of you have seen that? कल कौन सी लिंक शेयर किया? Nobody is aware. Teachers, please note this down. Yesterday we have shared two links. One is related to Swachhata Action Plan. Isn't it? There is a drawing competition. You have to imagine and draw your painting or the sketch related to Swachha Vidyalaya. What are your concepts? How you would like to see any school, not only our school, any school to be clean. What the student, how to contribute in keeping your school or any other school clean by the respective students. On that theme, you have to draw a picture or painting, and that painting has to be uploaded. So immediately you will get the instant certificate, online certificate will be sent to your email ID. So be careful about entering the correct email ID over there. This is one. Then Mother's Tithi Puja, 160th birthday anniversary of Shri Ma Sharda Devi. Related to that, there are 4 competitions. One is painting, drawing painting. Second is elocution, speech competition. Then essay competition. And then 4th is, in the speech you can have the video or audio also it will do. But in the elocution, you have this one. You should have your videos. That means be at the most 3 minutes. That has to be uploaded, and according to e-certificate will be generated automatically for you. These are the 2 things. Third thing, and most important, tickling is a portal. All the teachers are suggested to give the assignment through tickling. So there will be the scoring points for the teachers also. At the same time, at least 2 activities in a week, every teacher should go give it to the student through tickling. More than 2 also can be given. All the small assignments and all that has to be shared with the student through the tickling. That is the concept. And student, after solving that assignment, they should upload their assignment or the answer of that assignment on the tickling. There are various clubs or the heads. Under that head, for example, this Swachha Bharat Abhiyan, whatever painting you will be drawing, you can put it over there. I think art, culture, this type of group is there. You can put directly, take the photograph and upload over there. That will give the points, and in this way encouragement for uploading the maximum inputs over there, and that will help you to improve your academics also, and you will not miss your home assignment because you have to upload it on the tickling and get the point. And then time to time there are various types of certificates will be generated for the student. I hope these 3 all the teachers will insist upon, and even if this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is today, but still there are the possibility that you can upload the entries over there. By going home, today you can draw the pictures, you can imagine, keep the imagining, and after going home you can draw the picture and upload it over there. And now, after the prayer, all the students from 5 to 12, they will go one by one in the Vivekananda Hall. The firstly, the senior classes will go and they will sit at the back. As back as possible, you see, because maximum 500 students we have to accommodate over there. Likewise, then all boys will go and then girls will go one by one. Right from the senior girls first and then likewise up to the class 5. This much is for today, and one more thing is that there will be this video recorded and it will go on the website of the Ministry of Tourism. So your behavior is expected, very graceful. Whenever they ask, then only you have to talk. Unnecessarily, you need not have to take the attention. Teachers need not have to point it out. Shanta Baitogare. That will also be recorded and that is not praiseworthy for our school. Thirdly, when you will be sitting, you can take your notebook also along with you to note down the points. And after that, some of the students have been interested for giving a news bite. That is the video clipping of 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. How they will speak, our school's status will be decided by that. And for that purpose, they should be very responsive, very confidently they should speak. No elaboration, only to the point within 1 minute. That means 60 seconds you have. So just this is also another activity to put your all the thoughts within the 60 seconds. So how you can make it? There are certain points also. The class teachers, please inform them by seeing yesterday's that notice about what they should speak about. Isn't it? If anybody is not still conveyed, they can have interaction. The teachers can have the interaction with those students and very confidently in front of the Vivekananda Hall itself. When all will go, some snacks will be distributed. After the distribution of the snacks, there is a big pictures over there. In front of that, every student, right from class 12, they should start, and then slowly it will come to the class 5. So that by seeing the senior students' interaction or how they speak, the class 5 6 students, they can learn from them also how to speak confidently. This is for today. I hope a graceful presentation of school is expected today.